Do you find yourself constantly battling flat, lifeless hair, especially as you age? Many women over 50 experience a frustrating loss of volume, body and bounce, which can make them feel less confident and diminish their overall appearance. We understand this challenge deeply. Hair that once had natural lift and vitality can start to appear thin, limp, and resistant to styling, leaving you feeling like you are fighting an uphill battle every single day. The good news is that you are not alone in this experience, and more importantly, there are scientifically backed strategies and expert-approved techniques that can absolutely transform your hair from flat to fabulous. In this comprehensive guide, we will reveal the secrets to achieving lasting volume, addressing the root causes of flatness, and providing you with actionable steps that will revitalize your locks. Prepare to discover how to unlock the hidden potential of your hair, bringing back the fullness and vibrancy you thought were long gone. Get ready to embrace a new chapter of hair confidence, where flat hair becomes a distant memory. As we gracefully navigate the stages of life, our hair undergoes significant transformations, and understanding the biological underpinnings of these changes is the first crucial step in effectively combating flatness. Experts in trichology and dermatology consistently highlight that hair aging is a complex process influenced by a combination of genetics, hormonal shifts, and environmental factors. One of the primary culprits behind decreased volume in women over 50 is follicular miniaturization. This phenomenon involves the hair follicles gradually shrinking over time, leading to the production of finer, shorter, and less pigmented hair strands. What was once a robust, thick hair shaft becomes a delicate, wispy one, naturally contributing to an overall appearance of thinning and flatness. Furthermore, the rate of hair growth slows down, and the anagen or growth phase shortens, meaning hair spends less time actively growing and more time in the resting or shedding phases. This leads to a reduction in overall hair density, as fewer hairs are actively growing at any given moment. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly the decline in estrogen during perimenopause and menopause, play a pivotal role. Estrogen is known to prolong the hair growth phase and help maintain hair density. When estrogen levels decrease, the hair follicles become more susceptible to the effects of androgens, which can accelerate miniaturization and increase hair shedding. Scientific studies have also indicated that the scalp itself undergoes changes. The production of sebum, the natural oil that lubricates the scalp and hair, often decreases with age. While excessive sebum can weigh hair down, a healthy balance is essential for maintaining a supple scalp environment that supports robust hair growth. Reduced sebum can lead to a drier, more brittle hair shaft, making it more prone to breakage and further contributing to a lack of body. Moreover, the structural integrity of the hair shaft itself can be compromised. The cuticle, the outermost protective layer of the hair, can become more fragile and lift away, exposing the inner cortex and leading to increased porosity. This makes hair more vulnerable to damage from heat styling and environmental aggressors, which in turn can make it appear dull, rough, and less capable of holding volume. Collagen and elastin, proteins vital for the elasticity and strength of skin and hair, also diminish with age. In the scalp, a reduction in these structural proteins can impact the firmness of the follicular anchor, potentially leading to weaker hair attachment and less vigorous growth. To counteract these biological shifts, experts recommend a multifaceted approach. Gentle handling of the hair is paramount. Avoid aggressive brushing, tight hairstyles, and excessive heat. Nutritional support is also critical. Ensure your diet is rich in proteins, vitamins, especially B vitamins, D and E, and minerals like iron and zinc, all of which are fundamental building blocks for healthy hair. Supplements, under professional guidance, can help address specific deficiencies. By understanding these intrinsic changes, you empower yourself to choose targeted solutions that address the root causes of flatness, rather than just masking the symptoms. This foundational knowledge is the cornerstone of truly transformative hair care for mature women. The foundation of truly voluminous hair, especially for mature women, lies not just in the strands themselves but fundamentally within the health of the scalp. Consider the scalp as the fertile ground from which healthy, vibrant hair grows. If this ground is compromised, the quality and quantity of the hair it produces will inevitably suffer, leading directly to issues of flatness and lack of body. Experts in hair care and dermatology unanimously agree that a healthy scalp environment is paramount for optimal hair growth and density. This involves several critical factors: adequate blood circulation, proper nutrient delivery to the hair follicles, and a balanced microbiome. Blood circulation plays a vital role in transporting essential oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. When circulation is suboptimal, follicles may not receive the nourishment they need to produce strong, thick hair, leading to weaker, thinner strands that lie flat against the head. This is why techniques like scalp massage are not just relaxing but scientifically beneficial. A gentle yet firm scalp massage, performed regularly for 5 to 10 minutes, can help stimulate blood flow, bringing vital nutrients closer to the hair roots. Ingredients such as peppermint oil and rosemary oil, when properly diluted and applied, are also recognized by experts for their ability to enhance circulation and provide an invigorating sensation to the scalp, further supporting follicular health. Beyond circulation, nutrient delivery is directly impacted by the products we use and our overall diet. Hair follicles require a steady supply of vitamins, minerals, and proteins to function optimally. A scalp that is clogged with product buildup, excess sebum, or dead skin cells can impede nutrient absorption and create an unfavorable environment for hair growth. This leads to a crucial aspect of scalp health: proper cleansing and exfoliation. Using a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo designed for mature hair, followed by a lightweight conditioner, is essential. Once or twice a week, incorporating a scalp scrub or a chemical exfoliant containing ingredients like salicylic acid can help remove buildup, clean pores, and promote cell turnover. Salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid, works by dissolving the bonds that hold dead skin cells together, allowing them to be easily rinsed away, thereby creating a cleaner, healthier environment for hair to emerge. Furthermore, targeted scalp treatments can make a significant difference. Ingredients like niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, are celebrated by dermatologists for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve the skin barrier function of the scalp, which can lead to stronger hair growth. Caffeine is another ingredient frequently found in volumizing scalp serums, with research suggesting it can help stimulate hair follicles at the root, potentially counteracting the effects of dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to hair thinning. Peptides, chains of amino acids, are also gaining traction in scalp care for their role in signaling cells to produce more collagen and elastin, contributing to a firmer, more resilient scalp. When applying these treatments, focus on massaging them directly into the scalp, using your fingertips to ensure even distribution and to stimulate blood flow. Avoid applying heavy conditioners or styling products directly to the roots, as these can weigh down the hair and contribute to flatness. Instead, concentrate conditioners from the mid-lengths to the ends. By prioritizing scalp health through proper cleansing, targeted treatments, and stimulating massage, you are not merely treating the symptoms of flat hair, you are actively nurturing the very source of your hair's vitality, encouraging the growth of thicker, stronger, and naturally more voluminous strands from the root up. This proactive approach lays the groundwork for all subsequent volumizing strategies to be truly effective. Selecting the right hair products is an art and a science, especially when your goal is to achieve significant, lasting volume without weighing down mature hair. Many women make the mistake of using products that are too rich, too heavy, or simply not formulated with the specific chemistry required to create lift and body. To truly transform flat hair, we must delve into the science of product formulation and understand how key ingredients interact with the hair shaft. Volumizing products are engineered to create a temporary scaffolding around each hair strand, making it feel and appear thicker, or to lift the hair at the root without adding excessive weight. One of the most effective classes of ingredients for this purpose are polymers. Look for ingredients such as PVP, VP/VA copolymer, polyquaternium 10, or polyquaternium 11 on your product labels. These film-forming polymers create a microscopic, invisible film around each hair strand. This film not only provides a slight increase in diameter, but also adds friction between individual hairs, preventing them from collapsing against each other and allowing for greater separation and lift. Imagine tiny, invisible splints holding each hair up. The key is that these polymers are lightweight and do not accumulate excessively, which would lead to dullness or stickiness. Another critical component for adding body and strength, especially to fine or fragile mature hair, is protein. Hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed rice protein, and hydrolyzed soy protein are excellent examples. The term hydrolyzed means these proteins have been broken down into smaller molecules, allowing them to penetrate the hair cuticle and temporarily fill in gaps and strengthen the hair shaft from within. This internal reinforcement can make each strand feel more robust and less prone to collapsing under its own weight or external humidity. Proteins also contribute to the overall elasticity of the hair, making it more resilient and capable of holding a style. While some silicones are often demonized for potentially weighing hair down, specific lightweight silicones, such as cyclomethicone or dimethicone copolyol, are actually beneficial in volumizing formulations. These silicones provide slip and shine without the heavy residue of their heavier counterparts, ensuring hair remains light and movable. They can also help to smooth the cuticle, reducing frizz and creating a polished finish that does not detract from volume. Conversely, avoid products high in heavy oils like mineral oil, petroleum, or very thick, rich butters if your primary concern is volume, as these can easily coat the hair and pull it down. Beyond polymers and proteins, other volumizing agents play a significant role. Rice starch and silica are often found in dry shampoos and texturizing sprays. These microscopic powders absorb excess oil at the roots, providing an instant matte finish and creating physical space between hair strands, which translates to immediate lift and texture. Panthenol, also known as provitamin B5, is a humectant that attracts moisture from the air and binds it to the hair, swelling the hair shaft slightly and making it appear fuller. It also has conditioning properties that improve hair elasticity and manageability without adding weight. When it comes to application, technique is just as crucial as the product itself. For volumizing shampoos and conditioners, focus the shampoo on the scalp to cleanse thoroughly and the conditioner primarily on the mid-lengths and ends, avoiding heavy application at the roots. For styling products like mousses or root lifting sprays, apply them directly to the damp roots before blow drying. Work the product through with your fingers or a wide tooth comb to ensure even distribution. For texturizing sprays or dry shampoos, lift sections of dry hair and spray lightly at the roots, then gently massage or tousle with your fingers to activate the product and build volume. Layering products strategically can also enhance results, for example, a root lifting spray followed by a lightweight mousse. The key is to start with a small amount and build up as needed, always aiming for a clean, non-sticky feel. By understanding the chemistry behind these ingredients and mastering their application, you can select and utilize products that genuinely support and amplify your hair's natural volume, turning once flat hair into a voluminous masterpiece. Achieving truly voluminous hair is not merely about the products you use, it is significantly amplified by the styling techniques you employ. Professional stylists often utilize methods that go beyond basic blow drying, focusing on creating lift at the root and enhancing overall body that lasts throughout the day. For mature hair, which can be more delicate and prone to flatness, these advanced techniques are absolutely essential. The first cornerstone of lasting volume comes from precise blow drying. Instead of simply drying your hair downwards, which encourages flatness, always aim to lift the roots. Begin by rough drying your hair until it is about 70 to 80% dry. This reduces the amount of direct heat exposure and makes the hair more manageable. Next, section your hair and, using a medium-sized round brush, ceramic brushes are excellent for even heat distribution and creating tension, while boar bristle brushes offer superior grip and shine. Focus on lifting each section upwards and away from your scalp. Direct the nozzle of your blow dryer downwards along the hair shaft as you pull the hair taut with the brush. For maximum root lift, take small sections of hair around the crown and hairline, lift them straight up, and dry the roots first, aiming the airflow directly at the base of the hair. Once the roots are dry and lifted, gently pull the brush through the rest of the section. A crucial tip is to allow each section to cool completely on the brush before releasing it. This sets the volume and ensures it holds. For even greater, longer-lasting lift, cold air setting on your blow dryer is your best friend. After heating a section, blast it with cold air for a few seconds to lock in the shape. Another highly effective, yet often overlooked, technique involves Velcro rollers. These are fantastic for setting volume without needing additional heat after blow drying. After blow drying each section, immediately wrap it around a Velcro roller. For maximum lift, ensure the roller is placed directly at the root, pulling the hair upwards and slightly forward for the front sections. Secure them firmly and allow your hair to cool completely, ideally for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or even longer if you have time. The cooling process allows the hydrogen bonds in your hair to reform in their new, voluminous shape, providing incredible bounce and fullness. When removing the rollers, do so gently, unwrapping them in the opposite direction of how you rolled them to avoid tangles and preserve the curl. Teasing or backcombing, when done correctly, can also be a game changer for adding density and lift, particularly in areas where hair is thinnest. The key is to be gentle and strategic to avoid damage. Use a fine tooth comb and take small sections of hair. Hold the section taut and comb downwards towards the scalp in short, gentle strokes, focusing on the underside of the section. Do not aggressively rip through the hair. Once you have created a cushion of volume at the roots, gently smooth the top layer of hair over the teased section to conceal it. This technique creates an internal support structure for your hair, making it appear much fuller. For those who use heat styling tools, a curling iron or flat iron can also be used to create root lift. When using a flat iron, instead of clamping and pulling straight down, take small sections at the roots, clamp the iron, and lift it upwards before gently gliding it through the hair. This creates a slight bend and lift at the base. With a curling iron, wrap sections of hair around the barrel, ensuring the base of the section is lifted away from the scalp, and hold for a few seconds before releasing. Always remember to use a heat protectant spray before any heat styling to safeguard your delicate, mature hair. Finally, finishing sprays are essential for locking in your hard-earned volume. Opt for lightweight, flexible hold hairsprays or texture sprays that do not create a stiff, helmet-like feel. Look for formulations that offer humidity resistance, which is crucial for maintaining volume throughout the day. Hold the spray at least 10 to 12 inches away from your head and apply in a fine mist, focusing on the roots and areas where you want to maintain lift. Avoid overspraying. By integrating these advanced, expert-recommended styling techniques into your routine, you will not only achieve impressive volume but also ensure that your hair maintains its beautiful lift and body for hours, transforming your flat hair into a dynamic, confident style. You have now been equipped with the expert knowledge and practical strategies to conquer flat hair and embrace a future of voluminous, confident locks. We have explored the biological reasons behind age-related hair flatness, delved into the critical role of scalp health, uncovered the scientific secrets of volumizing product chemistry, and mastered advanced styling techniques for lasting lift. Remember, transforming your hair is a journey, not a single destination. Consistency in applying these insights, from nourishing your scalp to choosing the right products and mastering your styling routine, is key to seeing truly remarkable and sustainable results. Do not let flat hair diminish your confidence any longer. You deserve hair that reflects your inner vibrancy and beauty. We encourage you to implement these expert tips and witness the incredible transformation for yourself. If you found this guide empowering and informative, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more invaluable beauty wisdom, and sharing your own volumizing success stories in the comments below. Your journey to beautiful, full hair starts now.